Hey, what's up guys, I'm Ryan, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are absolutely fantastic. Today, in this video, I want to show you the Hubsan Zino, probably the best value for the money 4K drone on the market. Hope you guys like this one, you know what to do, sit back, relax and enjoy. If you are new to the channel, welcome, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos like this. Alright guys, let's have a look at this Hubsan Zino, a 4K drone, 3-axis gimbal with a fantastic price. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out the price. At this moment I'll try to get a discount coupon for you as well. Let's start with a quick unboxing and then we'll go through the specs and I'll show you some footage by the end of this video. So mine came with this carrier bag, an extra set of propellers. Let's have a look what we have here. There's different options that you can select when buying this drone depending on your budget. Mine is the one with 2 batteries and a storage bag. This one comes with 3 propellers, so have a look at the prices and pick your package. So this bag is made of a fake leather, I believe, but it keeps everything in one place. Let's open this up. And we are presented with the Hubsan Zino. Wow, looks really good. It's such a nice feeling when you get this new tech. This Zino is also available in black and there's a new version that has just been released, the Pro model. This is a foldable drone, very small footprint. It fits in the palm of a hand. Let's put it to the side for now. Let's have a look what else do we have in the bag. So there's this user manual written in English. You can get a lot of information online about this Hubsan Zino. The community is fantastic. Some fellow YouTubers do amazing work. I learn a lot with them, so check them out. So continuing with the unboxing, behind this flap we have a lot more goodies here. So of course we have the controller with a very minimalistic design. This one is completely white, no color whatsoever. You have these antennas. This drone can go up to 1 kilometer in distance, which in my honest opinion could be slightly longer. I believe they extend the range for the Pro model. Have a look at that one if you have a chance. There's a few buttons here. You have the normal and sport switch, auto landing, the power button and auto takeoff or landing. On the top of the remote control there's one button on the right side to start and stop the video, and on the other side you have another button to take pictures and the gimbal pitch control. Okay, let's now have a look what else we have in the back. Let's remove everything from this bundle so I can show you guys. So you have 3 sets of propellers, a car charger and adapter, an extra battery, you have the phone adapters for iPhone, USB-C and micro USB. Yeah, lot of stuff. Let's have a look at the Hubsan Zino, that's what we're here for. Let's remove all these paper things. Have a look at the size of the Zino, guys. This is my phone for comparison. Yeah, it does fit in the palm of your hand. You can put it on any backpack, it doesn't take too much room. Yeah, very compact drone. Let's unfold these legs. And there you have it guys, the Hubsan Zino looking really good. On the top you have this black matte finish with the Hubsan Zino logo, a power button, some ventilation as well. On this side you have a micro USB, a SD card slot and an LED as well. You can use a micro SD to run some updates. On the other side there's some QR code, a bit more information about the Zino. And on the front you have this amazing gimbal protection, just pinch it there. And there you have it guys, a 3-axis gimbal, 4K camera. And this gimbal protection, quite handy when you're not flying the drone, to protect the camera and the gimbal. Here you can see the movement of the 3-axis gimbal. Yeah guys, it's a very good looking drone. This is not a toy grade, probably the remote could be slightly better, but overall the drone looks very good. And of course, more important than the looks, it's the features and the quality of the camera. The 3-axis gimbal as well, 4K camera with an aperture of f2.2 will take amazing footage. Speaking of that, let's go outside. Let me power the drone. There you go. This is how the phone will look like once on the remote. Let's power the remote as well, pointing the antennas, and we're good for a flight. The app you need to use to operate the aircraft is the Hubsan app, available for iOS and Android, and this is basically the view you get. Some information about the satellites on top, battery, camera controls at the side and at the bottom, the speed of the aircraft. Inside the menus you have different options like the aircraft joystick, controller, the gimbal settings, map settings and other settings. And over here guys, just a quick thing, you have the aircraft speed, the drone speed. For newbies like me, I do recommend you lower the speed of the drone itself. Here, of course, let's bind the aircraft to the current device, just press OK, GPS accuracy test, and you are good to go. But before that guys, let me show this menu, the gimbal pitching speed, which I do recommend you go for lower values for that cinematic look when you raise your camera. Before we fly, we should do a compass calibration on the drone, just to make sure everything goes nice and smooth. Okay guys, press the button to take off. Fingers crossed because it's a lot of wind, but the drone is coping quite alright. Let me point the camera up. It's a bit windy, but the GPS hold is doing a good job holding the drone position, and the camera, it's pretty much solid. Yeah, not too bad. Let's now have a look at the footage. This was one of the first flights I did. Let's have a look. And there you have it guys, 4K footage direct from the drone, no color correction, downgraded to 1080p for this video. The 3-axis gimbal is doing a fantastic job with this wind, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm very happy with this drone so far.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life, and I'm missing you so bad. Don't know if I should call you back. You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
My apologies for my palette skills. I'll post more videos with some proper footage, not just in the park. Stay tuned for that. I believe I can do much better than this. The drone has a rock steady camera. Look at this, the camera doesn't move at all. It was like a tripod in the air. Such a shame it was a cloudy day, but hopefully we can get better days so we can test this Zino the way we should. Because guys, this Zino has such amazing features, not just the 4K camera, 30 FPS, it has some autonomous flight modes, like for example line fly, waypoint. He has the panoramic photography, and of course he has the most popular, the tracking mode. Let me just show you that one. So what you need to do, you need to click that drone symbol, and then following me modes, you get a brief explanation on what to do. Basically you just need to select yourself or the object you want to track. It's quite smart, so it will detect you. Press go, and that's it guys. Just leave the controllers, the drone will follow you. You don't need to do anything else, and it's quite smart. Of course, when doing this, you need to pay attention to trees and any other obstacles, because this drone doesn't have any sensors, any obstacle sensors, so be aware of that. And saying that, guys, I think it's time to wrap this video. This is not the full comprehensive review like we normally do on the channel, and I also recognize the drone footage I did is not the best. As I'm still learning, I do plan to do some nice films, nice short movies with this drone. Stay tuned for that. I'll leave a link down below in the video description. I'll try to get a discount coupon for you, and check the price, guys. I think you will like the price, especially if you pick just one battery without any storage bag. Saying that, guys, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for that. And of course, thank you very much for watching. And like always, I hope I can see you all in the next video.